Breakfast, guys. Malat-malat ako. Very lovely. Delicious. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow, ang sarap ng kape. Plus bread. Unti-unti na nawawala yung allergy ko, guys. Good morning, everyone. Please subscribe my channel.